Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locating the claim in YouTube Studio. Find the exact video and read the claim details so you know whether it's a Content ID match or a copyright strike. Once done, collect evidence that proves your right to use the material: original project files, timestamps, written licenses, or release forms from contributors. Make sure to note the claimant name and the specific timestamps they flagged, because that determines whether you will dispute, request a retraction, or submit a counter notification. Now decide the correct action. Dispute a Content ID claim if you have permission or license, or choose fair use when your use is transformative and limited. Explain why with specific timestamps and context. If the claimant is mistaken, try contacting them directly to request retraction before disputing, because that often resolves faster. When you submit a dispute, include supporting files and a clear statement. If it escalates, be aware a counter notification starts a legal process and may require your contact. Finish by watching the claimant response timeline and checking YouTube for outcomes. If the claimant releases the claim, reclaim monetization and restore video rights. If a copyright strike remains and you truly believe you are in the right, you can file a counter notification. Understand this can trigger legal proceedings, so consult counsel if unsure. If things go wrong, save all communications, export dispute records, and consider alternate uploads with edits or licensed replacements to prevent repeats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.